Here, tucked away underneath the underbody, we got our drain plug for the oil here. And then if you come around closer to the driver's side, moving around this direction, tucked in here, there it is, kind of blue. There's our oil filter hanging down. So first thing I'm going to do, come back around and loosen up that oil plug. And this is just straight shot up and down. We're looking at a 17 millimeter socket for this oil drain plug. Oh, there we go. Yeah, last time that was so hard to get off.
Oh, some knucklehead did it?
Some knucklehead at a Goodyear place just totally put that on super hard. I think we're getting close. Look at that, all over my hand. Here's the cleaned up bolt. But look at the pancaking that this guy did to this thing. He just destroyed it and pushed it in there so hard. So it's, wow. That's horrible.
What?
That's just horrible. I don't know how this thing even seals, to tell you the truth.
Well, this is the washer. The part that's mushroomed up is the washer.
Is the washer.
Yeah. You get that off.
I'm just putting it back on, and it seals. I'm happy. I don't want to mess with it.
You don't want to mess with it?
Nah, it was sealing, and I didn't even have it that tight. So I just come back and check, and we'll go from there.
Tell us in the comments below if you guys would change this.
And we'll go hit the filter, and then we can come back and get our remnants, our little leftovers. Little pre-lube there. Get that that rubber gasket lubed up so it'll slide nice, get a good seal. Woo! It's gonna drip everywhere probably. Here we go. Oh man, I had this so loose. Barely touched it. Barely touched it and it was coming undone. Okay, let's see what happens here. Just running down my arm everywhere. Never had that much of a mess. I don't remember this last time I did it. Wow.
It's right above the cross member, huh?
Yeah, but the filter hangs like this.
What?
So the filter, oh no, I'm sorry. The filter's mounted like this, so you have all that oil dripping straight down. As soon as you pull this, there's still some in the line probably.
Good old Mazda engineers.
And it is dripping over everything.
That's why you need brake cleaner.
I'm just going to have to get up there and do a lot of wiping and cleaning here now. The double gasket story. I think that was a 77 Honda Civic. First time changed the oil in my dad's garage. Started it right back up after changing the oil. And then just boom, huge puddle on the floor. Found out that I had left the old gasket from the old oil filter on there. And we double gasked it and it didn't seal. And what a mess cleaning that up. Okay.
Did that happen right away?
Yeah. Yeah, it spilled right out. Very nice. I hope it's the right size filter. There we go. Nice smooth slide there, no cross threading. There we go, about 3/4 of a turn after it hit, and we are done. We'll come back, and I don't even know if I want to take the time to drain any more out of the plug.
Right?
I already got most of that, so I'm done here.
Fill it up.
I need to tighten this up though. I'm just gonna dust off some of that extra dust so it doesn't get down inside there. We'll pop that bad boy. That's just plastic. Almost feels like that's plastic. It's plastic on plastic. There's just nothing to that thing.
Cheap son of a Bosch.
Wow. Ooh, you can look inside there. Get them a quick little view. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Nice. We can read. There's reading material in there. Of course, here's my my old 1 quart container that I.
Does it say Walmart?
Yeah, it's a little Walmart. Can you put $4.47? I think this was oil. If it wasn't oil, it was something else. But boy, $447 from that many years ago seems expensive. What we're putting in here, Super Tech, high mileage, full synthetic. Bust a...
If this seal is ever missing when you buy it or bring it home, don't use it.
Absolutely. But now we got to break the seal. Oh, that was easy. Again, never pour this way. Always pour over the top. See if we can get that to... There we go. Oh, beautiful gold. Yeah, we'll get it on flat surface and finish it off.
To 4?
Yep. Do our check. There we go.
All right, let's get it on flat surface and we'll double check it. Just going back in here, double checking the oil level now that we're on flat surface. Pull it out, wipe it off, put it back in.
Definitely need a little more. Might take the whole
Half
5.
a quart?
Might,
Or are you going to throw the whole thing in?
We'll see.
I'll do 4.5.
Yeah, that's looking a lot better, huh? It's hard to tell, you know.
I think you're good.
Yeah.
So out of the 5-quart jug, we're going to use 4.5 quarts.
Doesn't take much to top it, though, does it?
Yeah, but you also have to remember that you have to let the oil set. So the best time to check your oil is first thing in the morning before it's warm. That's how you do an oil change on a 2008 Mazda Miata with a 2.0 liter.